All right, and what we're going to do now is we're going to take a look at Credential Manager. It's a thick client which interfaces directly with secret servers, so we can then get details on our secrets within secret server, our credentials, and then we can access them and we can do certain activities. So let's get right to it. So we're going to come in here to Credential Manager. And then what we can see here is all the, we're lensing into secret server, so we can see all the secrets that have been shared out with us. And what we're going to do is we're going to focus in on a few of these. So we have our shared with me, our recents, and active sessions, but we're going to focus in on favorites. And then we're going to do something here that's going to save some time in the morning for everybody. Is we're going to select on the all accounts, and then what we're going to do is we're going to then connect to all of these, and it's going to open up different tabs across the top here within Connection Manager. So let's get right to it. So we're going to come in here, selected all these to open up in the morning, and we're going to connect. So let's go yes. And you can see here our tabs are opening up here. This also will give us the ability to do session recording. It gives us the ability to check in, check out, all these different functions that are available within Secret Server. So we're going to come in here. We're taking a look at our different we're in a router, we're in a Windows 11 session, we're in a server, we are in all the different, we're in a Linux session here. So we can see all the different connections we can make from Connection Manager into our targets and get us going in the morning with ease. So that is Connection Manager that is coming into servers from the actual thick client interfacing from Secret Server itself. So thank you for watching.